What's up, y'all? We back with another one. I'm about to get ready to feed your baby daddies, your daddies, your sons, your husbands, your boyfriends, all the above. Here go another recipe for y'all. Keep y'all mans in the bed with y'all and not in the bed with another chick. Keep a man belly full. Keep his ass around. So anyway, yeah, seasoning up this just chicken and whatever. Just got off of work. I'm tired as shit. Gotta feed the chitlins and my man. Cooking it up in the kitchen for y'all. So I got the recipe and all that down below. Just take notes, ladies. Take notes. Okay? I'm out.